Musclecars Universe.
Welcome everyone to Musclecars Universe and to another thrilling special feature. Today I bring you WAR HEMI, a 1968 Plymouth Barracuda that's been turned into a full-on drag car with uncompromising performance and a sound worth dying for. As far as the story goes, this Barracuda was completely stripped and rebuilt ground up into a full-on tubular chassis drag-spec car by Jack French in Virginia, USA, as you can see here. While it did successfully race in both USA and Canada, this car was then imported by Wayne Grimmer, who raced it here in New Zealand for a decade. It was then passed on to the new owner, and that's where it stayed until now, with its continuing the winning streak in the C7 racing class. The engine is a racing spec 604 cubic inches Ray Barton Hemi, putting out 1150 horsepower completely naturally aspirated and proudly without any use of power adders. Then the power gets transmitted to the ground via a 5-speed Liberty gearbox, a Mark Williams Dyna 60 rear diff, and those huge tires at the back. To complete the picture, being a competition-proven car, we have a wheelie bar, twin chutes, drag wing, and a massive roll cage that wraps around the driver. But now let's jump back into the action to see this marvelous creation disrupt the quiet at the strip. Hopefully we will see a new PB from the previous one being 8.1 at 165 miles an hour. Enjoy guys! 60.9.
Those two, friends off the track, but now they are suited up and strapped into their race cars. One of them is sending the other one home on a trailer. Wayne Grimmer is in the Plymouth Barracuda. Roger Binnemer, the defending New Zealand #1, is in that supercharged, Chevy-powered Honda. A big race to start this season because points are on the line, and it is a great wheels-up start for Wayne Grimmer. But Roger Binnemer, you can see he has just stepped off it. He's given the race up because he left early. Red light foul gives Wayne Grimmer a win. But have a look at the ET Wayne Grimmer, 8:27, 1:69.
Love the excitement, the adrenaline. It's just an addictive sport. But the car's running really well now. We're back onto our 8:29 of our first pass off the trailer yesterday, so we're really happy. I think we're #1 qualifier. It's a 1968 Barracuda, but it runs a Ray Barton built from USA 604 cubic inch Hemi. It's putting out 1130 horsepower, normally aspirated. It goes through a 5-speed Liberty manual transmission. We've experimented with this car with the wheels up, wheels down. In actual fact, it's 60 foot faster with the wheels up. So this car just absolutely likes the way it reacts, just likes it that way, so we're going to keep it that way. It's still fun. It's funny that we do have a couple more cars in the class, but they'll be here next round. But it's still a buzz, and I still love coming back.
The old foe meet in yet another final. It is Wayne Grimmer in the Plymouth Barracuda and Sam Levine in the Duster. Now, both of these races have raced a number of years. They've raced in all forms of race car. Both campaigned altereds a few years ago, so they know how to go fast. They're very good drivers. Current record holder Wayne Grimmer is looking to try and get the edge on his old mate, Sam Levine. However, we've just seen Sam Levine wheels up start in his semi-final. He's not going to make it easy for Wayne Grimmer. Where's your money? Too tight to call. Wheels up from both of them. A better start from Sam Levine. He got the jump on Wayne Grimmer. Now has Wayne Grimmer got horsepower to drive around him. If he can run better than an 8:35, he'll get a record. We see the door blow off the side of Sam Levine's car. Again, we see air pressure just take the door right off it. But Wayne Grimmer, have a look at that. 8:31. New national record for an A-top street car. Doors off. Wheels up. It is all action in the top street final. Wayne Grimmer takes the points.
And that's all for today, guys. This was WAR HEMI, a special feature of one of the most iconic Mopar drag cars in the whole New Zealand. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already. This is Andy from Musclecars Universe. I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Bye bye.